In this video, we will show you how to use the X880 drone. First, use the screwdriver to remove the screw and open the battery cover. Then put 4 AAA batteries into the remote control. Close the battery cover and use the screwdriver to tighten the screw. Connect the USB charging cable to the charging port of the drone. Then insert the other end of the charging cable into the adapter. The indicator light is on when charging, and stays off when the drone is fully charged. First, turn on the drone. The light starts flickering. Then press the power button to turn on the remote control. The indicator light starts blinking. Slowly push the left joystick up and down. The pairing is successful when the indicator lights stay on. Push the left joystick up. All blades begin to rotate. Push the left joystick up again, the drone takes off. Push the left joystick down, the drone lands. Push the left joystick up. All blades begin to rotate. Press the 1-key takeoff/land button, the drone takes off. Press the button again, the drone lands. Thank you for viewing our setup instructions video.